Hello, everyone, and welcome to Think Big Digital, where we bring you professional tips, tools, and techniques to enhance your digital productivity and security. In today's video, we're going to learn how to set custom dimensions on Canva. So, for that, we're going to move on to the Canva website. And now, if we look closer, we can see that there is an option called Custom Size. Click on this option and we can see that we have different places to put on our custom width, height, and also the unit we would like to prefer in that case. Here I'm gonna put in some random width and also choose the unit as px. Now we're gonna choose the width and height accordingly, whichever size we would like to prefer, and click on the create new design option. And thus our page is open here according to the width and length we have put beforehand, and we can see that we have various types of functions and elements to include in this poster. So I randomly picked one collage file and we can fast forward to it, save the file accordingly. Please take a moment to like this video, and if you have any queries, drop a comment down below and we will get back to you within 24 hours to associate you with our best efforts. Thank you for tuning in, and we will see you in the next video.